Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Following that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of the available features that you wish to manage, like camera. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Maps. And apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Maps just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Firefox. Now instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Firefox Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!